guessing some plantain chips will be good. You eat them with some rice and black beans and some picadillo, and you add this and you are made. Ooh, my hubby found some goodies. Show me. Poquito. Coco crema. What else? La cremita no tiene ahí? We got some ajonjolí, sesame brittle. Sesame brittle. This is so yummy, guys.
One for you.
OMG. Boniatillo. This is delicious. This is made out of the Cuban sweet potato. Boniato. We got some coco leche, but the toasted one. So we have the... And look what we found. Delicious. And here we are looking at all these beans, and we have found some black ones, which is the easiest one to make, so I'm gonna get one of these. Let me see what we have so far. Well, except for the cooking one, because that's mine. This is what we have so far, guys. I'm so excited. We've found so many goodies. So we're keep going. We're gonna get a little pack of rice so you guys can make some rice with beans. So let's see.
We're gonna get the mini rice.
Yeah, we got some jasmine rice. I know this is not Cuban, but that's the rice I like. That's the rice I cook with. That's the rice you guys have seen me make. So that's what I'm getting. And these are not for you. These are for me. But, you know, we didn't get a cart. So we got to fix everything in the little basket. So we just got to this aisle. And this is like dreamland right here, guys. They have so many cool stuff. So they have this creamer, and then they have las tacitas, cafeteras. Look at this. This is crazy. These cazuelas that we like to make the meat and all of that. Oh, I love it. Morteros. Guys, I am in heaven right here. We definitely need to make a couple more giveaways. And videos are coming soon. That's awesome. That's the one I want. Look at these cazuelas. I can literally make a potaje de Eric. He fits in there. They're so big. I'm so excited. Baby, show them. Look, to make plantain chips. Don't even look at the diapers in the back. Tostonera. Yeah, guys, some videos coming soon how to use all of these things. I am in heaven. Heaven, heaven, heaven. Look at these. Look how big this is. Look at my hand. Look how big this is. These are crazy huge. To fry some pork in there, make some costillas. I'm in love. I don't come here often. I don't remember seeing all of these things last time I came. I'm in love, guys. I'm in love. I know this is not Cuban, but look how cute these are. From Coco. Look how cute this is. Look at all the pottery. This is Mexican. Look how cute. Mira Frida Kahlo. How cute. These are super cute. Oh, it's like a mini rice cooker right here. It looks like. Look how cute, guys. Super, super cute. So here we are at the spices, which is the other thing I wanted to get. So I'm thinking that we could do, I don't see the cilantro cubes. Okay. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna get one of these, which you guys see me use. I use this for all my meats and picadillos and stuff like that, and like red beans, chicharos, lentejas. I'm gonna get one of these. Sazón completo, and basically with this you don't gotta do nothing else. It has everything there. Guys, this is so amazing. If you are from South Florida, you've had this in a Cuban restaurant, and if not, buy some and try it. Babe, we good?
Yep.
I think we have a lot of stuff for you guys. We're excited. Hope you guys enjoy this, and this will be one of many to come. Hopefully we get more subscribers soon, and we can get to do this more often. So hope you guys support me. I hope you invite more people to our group. Let's get bigger and let's get cooking Cuban food easily.